Take a ride in the 2011 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.